What are the 15 ways to win your husband's heart? Accept him as he is because Allah has chosen him for you. Share your happiness and sadness with him. Learn to compromise. Keep telling your husband that you love him a lot. Take best care of him when he is ill. Respect and love his family. Keep your disagreements hidden. Race to the door when he arrives at home. Make sure that you do prepare his favorite meal. Always encourage him for good deeds. Show gratitude for what he does for you and the family. Support him in charitable acts. Make dua for him regularly. Quit on backbiting him. And always surprise him with gifts.